I've been really impressed with the CurePak system. Step one is you're setting the kiln. You have to run it back, lock it in place, bring it back over your pipe. And then from there, it's basically you're letting your curtains down and you're going to a switch and your temperatures are set however you want them and you basically hit go.
The Afinitas team has been great to work with. The technicians are probably the first ones that I developed relationships with.
Anytime we've needed them or reached out to them, they've been really responsive with great answers, and we've really had a good experience with them. You come in the next morning, the machine's cycled, you raise the curtains, send them back, and tip out starts. We're able to turn pipe the next morning, around 5 a.m. and no problems. It's a great system.